still here.
Look, you two just leave Mr. Hackett alone and get ready for school, please.
I'm sorry, it was my fault. I was enjoying myself. Go on, do as your mum says or I'll nick you.
Oh, for crying out... Careful, love. Oh, Mary, I can't find my tie.
Don't worry, Brian. Why advertise? We're another.
Oh, yes, right, sir.
It's just that he's so,
Pleased. Yeah.
Oh, no, proud.
Oh. Well, he'll soon knock that out of him. It's not all glamour, you know. Noble cops chasing dastardly villains. Gets a bit dirty.
He's so keen.
Yeah.
Mr. Hackett, you will.
Don't worry, Mrs. Aston. I'll take care of him.
Now the weather forecast for the Radio Bristol area today until midnight, and it'll be cloudy with rain, heavy at times in many places, and patches of fog on hills.
Sorry about that, sir. Families.
Oh, that's all right. Last thing you should do is apologise for him. You're a lucky man.
It's just I thought you said 9 o'clock, sir.
That was early.
I think we'll get a conviction, sir.
Formality. Once we spring your surprise witness in the diary.
Who is he? I feel diabolical.
Well, I hope it was worth it. Don't worry, you'll feel better once you're given evidence.
Is the diary in your car, Peter?
You think I am a dummy?
Where is it, then?
You'll find out.
This could have waited.
I'll need it to get off the Manor Lively when this is over.
You won't need it at all once we've got Collyer tucked away, will you?
Don't be naive, Gov. He's got some very naughty friends. I'm still pissed.
Hang about.
Keys. That's all right, I can manage.
No, you won't. Not with blood in your alcohol system. Give me your keys.
Any idiosyncrasies?
No, just the headache.
Brian, follow us up. You can park the car back of the court after we got the diary.
Right, sir.
Lively boozer, is it?
It was last night, that's for sure. Funny thing, Keith Scott and Tony Murray showed.
What do you mean they showed?
Turned up, had a drink, you know.
I know where they normally drink, isn't here?
Well, it was last night. Give me the horrors, I can tell you. Well, if they'd known what I'd be up to today.
What the hell's this?
If he shows you, tell him I want him.
What, he left with you?
Tell him!
What the hell do you think you're doing leaving the scene?
There was nothing left of him to help, was there? I went off to Heslop.
You were a witness.
So was Heslop!
Police officer gets blown to bits and you go after a grass?
It was his car, wasn't
Brilliant. How do you work that out then?
I want to know why he ran.
You don't think he said Aston up to you, that gutless little rat?
Oh, it's courageous, is it? Planting bombs?
Murdering a police officer could be viewed as an act of extreme daring, considering the intensity of the interrogation that inevitably follows, or of supreme stupidity. Now, Heslop is a coward. He is not stupid.
All right. All right, it was meant for him.
Of course it was.
Not sure I can go through with it.
What?
Telling Aston's wife. He's got 2 kids. Nice kids. What do we even do about Collyer?
You can't stop the trial.
Look, he's
Ray.
responsible for blowing one of us to bits.
Evidence he was in custody.
The 2 of his goons were in that pub last night, Murray and Scott.
Having a drink.
Of course, having a bloody drink.
I repeat, where's the evidence? Heslop is an informer. Could have been anybody.
He's not a known informer. Only to us.
Apparently not. We need proof.
Steve?
Not now. Tony Murray and Keith Scott, I want them brought in for questioning. And I want them there by the time I get back.
Right.
But what if they weren't obliged, sir?
Arrest them!
On what charges?
Look, I know you haven't been in this squad long, lads. But if you want to stay in it, you'll find a reason. Louise!
Well done.
Phil! Louise, get down to the court and get counsel to stall and prevaricate as much as possible. Get him to ask for an adjournment if the judge will send for it.
Collier's brief.
Look, son, Collier's brief! You get down to that court and stay there until I come for you, right?
Leave it out, Steve. If I do that, Tate will crucify.
Look, I'll handle Tate.
You'll tell him that you ordered me.
You know I can't order you. I'm asking you, Fletch.
I don't know.
Look, we would have been certain to get Collyer convicted. Because Brian Aston found Heslop and he cultured him. Look, for God's sake, we owe him, Fletch.
Okay.
Terrific. Bonnie!
It's all right, it's all right. Just send him to do some checking.
It's Wilson here. Look, I haven't got long.
A cop. Yep, that's right. One heavy mob at that. Dave's gonna love us. Still, one less of the bastards, eh? Turn it in, will ya? Oh, come on, look on the bright side. Heslop will bottle right out now.
What did our man have to say about it?
A lot. Didn't have much opportunity, did he? What he did say? Well, he ain't happy.
Well, he's in it up to his neck now, isn't he? Like it or not, you'll have to give us a bit of help.
Steve? What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on?
I give your instructions to counsel and then Fletcher comes and changes them.
Don't worry about it.
Nothing.
Well, do you feel up to it?
No. But it has to be done. If there's anyone you'd like us to... Your mother, perhaps. We could arrange for her to be collected. Or if you'd rather, I could stay. What am I going to tell the children? What am I going to tell the children?
Right, lads, drink up.
Keith, I do believe it's plod. And in plain clothes, too. Very plain.
All right, loudmouth, out.
Such hostility. Do you suppose it's a power complex or an inferiority complex?
We want to have a chat with you back at the office. It shouldn't take long.
What shouldn't take long?
Very convenient.
Convenient, Mr. Bonney.
What it means, Partridge, is do you represent every villain and thug in the area?
Be careful that you don't err on the side of slander, Mr. Wilson. Thank you. The penalties can be quite harsh.
Are these gentlemen your clients, sir?
Why do you ask?
Because if they're not, we'd like to have a word with them privately.
Are you arresting us?
No, we
Then
simply...
Please go away.
Now, look, you...
All right, gentlemen, let's keep calm, shall we? Now then, what's all this about?
If these gentlemen aren't your clients, sir, what we have to say is between us and them.
I think it's a very good job we bumped into you, Mr. Partridge. If you've no objections, perhaps my colleague and I could retain your services. As from now.
Yeah, all right, then. Well, I'll look after this thing. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Cheers.
Have you got them?
Yeah, interview rooms 1 and 2.
Right, bring your notepad.
Steve, we've got a problem.
What?
They've got their brief with them, Partridge.
They've what?
He's in with Tate now.
Well, how the bloody hell did you let that happen?
Well, we didn't let it happen. We found him in Collier's drinker and he was already there.
Oh, he was already there, was he? Well, that was fortuitous, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, that's what I thought. It was as if they were expecting a pull.
Well, they would do, wouldn't they, if it was down to them?
How did they even know it had happened? Well, it's too early yet for the press to have heard about it.
Perhaps they were just sitting there, watching, waiting.
No, it's too risky.
Yeah, but if they did prime that car up, they would anticipate a pull, wouldn't they?
Oh, I am sorry.
Stephen, you know Mr. Partridge, don't you? He's come here to see me about his...
Yes, I know what he's here for. Can I have a word with you, please? In private.
My clients, having nothing to hide, came here voluntarily, Inspector. If it concerns
I said,
them...
can I have a word with you?
I'm sure we'll just be a moment, Mr. Partridge. Who the hell do you think you're talking to?
You know what he's doing here, don't you?
I said, who the hell do you think you're talking to?
All right, I'm sorry, but he just...
Now, being deliberately rude to Clive Partridge is not good tactics.
Oh, he wasn't deliberately rude to me. Call him Inspector. He knows what
has he
rank is.
injured your pride? Has he makes it difficult for you?
It's got nothing to do with it.
Calm down! We are both on the same side, remember?
That leech. That leech would defend Hitler for money.
No doubt. Even scum are entitled to legal representation in this country. Leech or no, he's a very clever one.
Yeah, you'll say that again. Did Bonnie and Wilson tell you how he just happened to be in that club when they got there?
Yes, they did. But as it's a fait accompli, there's nothing to be gained by screaming indignation, is there? You'll just have to handle it the best way you can.
Well, I'm going to charge him.
No evidence?
I'll find some.
Oh, come off it.
Look, we know it's down to them. And Collier's instruction. You know it and I know it. And I'm not having them roaming the streets while Heslop's still out there.
I think we can forget about Heslop. Even if we find him, he's not likely to cooperate, is he? Is he?
Look, what is all this? I'm just a straight citizen going about my business. I can do without the aggravation.
Here we go. I'm just a straight citizen.
Now, just because my client may have made a few mistakes in the past, Inspector...
Superintendent.
Well, as I was
And
saying...
your client, Mr. Partridge, began his antisocial activities when he was still at school and he had rubber pockets fitted to his trousers so he could steal the soup.
Yeah, well, victim of the class war, wasn't I? Social deprivation and all that. Do you know, my mum and dad were so poor, they used to borrow garbage from the people next door so the bin men wouldn't talk
You
about
think this is funny, do you? You think it's one big joke?
Rubber pockets to steal soup is a serious statement?
Touché, Superintendent.
All right, let's try it again, shall we? Your movements and whereabouts from 6 o'clock last night.
Would that be him?
I shouldn't think so.
Well, let's see, shall we?
Come on, come on.
Nothing silly now. All we want to do is talk to him.
Hello? The police are here, Peter. Run!
You stupid little cow.
You don't have to answer anything, Mr. Scott.
But as Mr. Scott has nothing to hide and he wants to help the police all he can...
But you haven't even told us yet what this is all about, what it is that we're supposed to have
Just
done.
answer the question, will you please, Mr.
Yes,
Scott?
I was having a drink in that bar last night.
Thank you.
Any law against that?
No, there's no law against that. Were both of you in there?
Yes, but we're just good friends.
Did you meet anyone else while you were in there?
One or two people, I suppose.
Who in particular?
I don't know. When we're drinking, we're not very particular.
Yes.
Got a minute.
Excuse me, will you please, gentlemen? You don't mind me calling you gentlemen, do you?
Heslop's phoned his bird.
Yeah.
She told him to scarp her before George could stop her.
Oh, bloody marvellous.
Do you want him to wait there?
Mr. Partridge, I've just received information which leads me to believe that your clients have not been entirely frank. And therefore, I'm afraid I'm going to have to hold them in police custody pending further investigations.
You can't do that. We came here voluntarily.
Oh, that's right, Mr. Scott. And I'd like you to know how much we appreciate your cooperation.
What did Partridge have to say?
Oh, nothing much. A few obligatory noises about unethical behaviour, told his clients to keep stum, usual stuff.
He must have asked for details of any charges that were likely to be laid.
I told him I wasn't in a position to specify at the moment.
And he no doubt reminded you that if we don't charge them within the next 36 hours...
He mentioned it, yeah.
Well, I'm reminding you too.
We'll want a warrant to turn their gaff over, collect their clothes for forensic.
Got a description of what they were wearing last night?
I will have when we locate Heslop.
The thing I keep asking myself is, how could they have known about Heslop?
Yeah, that's a good question.
I mean, apart from the team, nobody else should have had a clue.
Maybe Heslop told his girlfriend and she's been a bit, well, indiscreet.
I can't see it somehow. I know he's not God's gift to womanhood, but my impression is that she's stuck on him. And she's not stupid.
Well, it's a question we'll have to ask her.
What was the point in trying to kill Heslop before getting their hands on Collier's diary?
Because somehow they must have also known that he hadn't handed it over to us yet.
don't believe it.
I'll read about it in the papers tomorrow. Have a look at the photographs of the car. You might even recognize bits of it.
If you know where he is, Carol,
I
then you
don't.
should
How
tell us.
could I?
Why didn't you go out with him last night?
I'll go and see my mum on Wednesdays. Peter always goes to the pub.
Well, could he be there?
Where?
At your mother's.
Oh, that is a joke. She really would blow him up if she had...
Carol, this is serious. It's important we get to him before Collier's goons do.
So you can forget him once he's done your dirty work?
No. That car was meant for him. If Collier gets to him first, he'll kill him. If he comes to us, we'll give him protection around the clock, I promise.
He wouldn't need protection if you lot had left him alone. I told him right from the off, leave it out, Peter, don't get involved. Wouldn't listen to me, oh no.
Carol, this is
But
a
your
waste...
detective bloody, what's his name, Aston? Slippery Aston talked him into it. Give evidence, Peter. Chance to get your own back.
Carol.
And get his own back for what? 'Cause Collier give him the elbow and beat him up for thieving off him? Bleeding ironic. One thief sacking another for theft.
Carol, it was Brian Aston who was killed in Peter's car.
You serve him right for interfering in the first place. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. I'm upset.
So is Brian Aston's widow. So am I.
She knows, all right.
Sure she knows.
Surveillance?
Nope.
What?
No.
Why?
Why bother? She'll be expecting it. She'll be looking out for it, right?
So?
So, she knows where Heslop is, but she won't be going round there if she knows she's got the cavalry on her tail, will she?
And if she does go and see... And if she does go and see him and we are not there, then what good does it do us? What is the point?
The point is, my dear Louise, that I'm betting, given time, she's going to get scared and see things our way. And maybe talk some sense into him.
I got a warrant to turn your drum over. Would you like to tell me what I'm likely to find?
He did what?
Hello?
Keith?
I'm sorry, Keith's not here at the moment.
Who's this?
I'm a mate. I'm staying here. Can I give him a message?
Is Tony there?
Well, no, he's out as well. Look, can I just say who called? Who was it? Well, if I didn't know who was standing in the dock at the Crown Court, I'd say that was Collyer.
Did you order D.C. Fletcher to reveal in front of the jury that Collyer had a criminal record?
Did he tell you that?
No. But he's too experienced an officer to do anything so stupid. Well?
Well, of course I didn't.
Leave us for a few minutes.
Sir.
You do realize this means a retrial for Collyer, don't you?
Well, maybe Fletcher made a mistake. You know, a cunning question from the defense counsel.
How long have we been after Collyer?
7 months.
Nearer 8. So eventually we get a case together against him.
Well...
All right. I know, not the strongest of cases, but enough to send him down, maybe. So we get him on trial, and along comes a little bonus in the shape of Heslop, thanks to the efforts of Brian Aston. We can introduce new evidence. We can really nail Collyer this time.
Up until 9 o'clock this morning.
Oh, up until then, we had him for sure. Even after this morning, we had him maybe, but after that, we haven't got him at all. And a bright new young officer of this squad, my squad, is dead.
Because of Collyer.
Collyer was in custody at the time. Have you any idea how difficult it's going to be to prove he had anything to do with that bomb?
Oh, come on. As soon as we get Heslop, get his statement, get the diary, he's at it.
Well, you'd better get a move on, because Collyer is out.
Out? You mean the judge gave him bail?
Well, I'm reliably informed it wasn't the court usher.
What do you mean? They're down the neck.
Just what I said. Down the neck.
You sure you weren't followed?
Yeah, I'm sure. I did enough ducking and diving to lose an army.
Hey, you got any cigs? I'm out.
Hackett told me what happened.
Yeah.
Christ, what a mess!
I should listen to you.
Yeah. Where you going?
Check in the back. Did you bring any money?
Oh, yeah. Several thousand.
I thought you had a few bob tucked away.
Oh, look, we still owe 3 weeks' rent.
Don't matter now, does it? I should have nicked a motor.
What?
I couldn't get out. Filth everywhere. How'd you know I was here?
Guessed. Remembered you still had a key.
Yeah. My old lady used to keep this place spotless. Look at it now. What a bleeding mess.
Peter. What are we gonna do?
Well, there was very little I could do in the circumstances.
You're paid to do better than that.
Not by your employees.
Did they say what it was all about?
No, but I think I know. I phoned a journalist friend. A police officer was killed this morning in a car when it blew up in some car park.
A copper?
Yes. Now, I'm going to be perfectly frank, Mr. Collyer. I want nothing further to do with it.
With what?
Any of it. Handling your affairs or any of your employees. If I'd realized this when they phoned me this morning...
Wait a minute. Are you trying to say that you believe they're responsible for this copper getting killed?
The police are calling it murder. And I'm not saying anything, Mr. Collyer, but I'm not a fool. And I'm certainly not obliged to explain my reasons for not taking on a case, even to you.
You hypocritical bastard. You've made a fortune out of me over the years.
And money well spent, I'd have thought, from your point of view. But there are limits to what I'm prepared to take on, whatever the fee.
What about me? My case?
You can't just drop that. Not in the middle of it. The Law Society have got rules against that sort of thing.
Oh, indeed. But they don't apply when a solicitor has been deliberately deceived and misled.
I don't believe I'm hearing this.
You will be receiving written confirmation. Perhaps that will help.
You don't have to stay here, you know.
Don't I?
You can go back to the flat.
And wait for Collyer Stugs to come and ask me where you are.
Yeah, sorry, I weren't thinking. What about your mums?
Oh, they know where she lives too. Or had you forgotten you used to be one of them?
I was only Collier's driver.
Lackey, more like. I didn't mean that, I'm sorry.
It's all right. It's true anyway, isn't it?
Peter?
Yeah?
What Hackett said, you know, about giving you protection.
Yeah.
Well?
There ain't got much choice, have we?
And the diary? You want that?
That stays where it is.
See, I've just had a phone call from Partridge.
And?
After long and thoughtful consideration, he feels in all conscience it would not be in the interest of his practice or of the public's to represent Murray and Scott.
Does he?
And that's not all. He's also dropped Collyer.
Collyer? Oh, that is something. Did he elaborate?
Not that much. But I did get the impression it was giving him a sharp pain in his wallet.
Hello, Ed. Well, it's enough to restore your faith in the legal profession, isn't it?
Right, thanks. Steve. What? You ain't gonna believe this. Guess who's in reception asking for you?
Surprise me.
Heslop and his bird.
Peter, why don't you tell us where you've been hiding out all day?
I wasn't hiding, I told you. Well, I was just legging about. You know, ducking and diving.
What about the diary?
What about it?
Have you brought it with you?
Not exactly.
You know, Peter, we could be forgiven for believing that this diary doesn't actually exist. I've never seen it.
This is a page what I tore from it. Because I thought you'd say that.
Where's the rest of it?
You prove you're going to look after us, and then I'll tell you.
Don't worry. I gave my promise. Just one last question. What clothes were Murray and Scott wearing in the pub?
When was this? Look, we better have a meet. Will it be safe? Tomorrow, then. What do you mean if you can't make it? You be there.
What's this then?
List of gear taken from your flat. Anything missing?
So don't bring the kitchen sink, just some clothes and some toilet gear.
Do we take them to the hotel or bring them back here, sir?
Hotel. Sergeant Colbert will be there. I'll be working out a rota later, but for tonight, the three of you will stay with them. Sort out among yourselves who sleeps when and where and with whom.
Seems all right to me. Though I can't vouch for my mate's stuff.
Oh, he's satisfied.
Well, I'm not satisfied being dubbed up in here.
Oh, that reminds me. You'll be needing a new brief.
What for? We got one of the best.
Not anymore, you haven't. Partridge has given you the elbow. He said something about the smell.
No, no problem, sir. Right, sir, will do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, we have to check in every half hour.
Well, who fancies a cup of tea then?
Oh,
Good idea.
I'll do.
What do we do now then?
You're absolutely sure of that?
Yeah. What's the problem?
Right, there's nothing else you can do here tonight, Bonnie.
Okay. See you.
Bonnie.
Yeah?
I may have something I want you to do for me tomorrow.
Fine.
I'll let you know.
Right. Good night.
Excuse. I think I left my ciggies here.
Wanted protection, didn't you?
Yeah. I just didn't think.
Well, now Collier's out.
Collier's out.
I thought you knew.
He was bailed pending a retrial, Peter.
He was already on trial, girl.
Yes, well, there was some sort of a legal cock-up, but... Look, it doesn't matter. It makes no difference. There's no way he can get to you now.
Listen, if he's got to wait for a retrial, we could be here for months.
No, a week or two at the most. We're going to try and get it expedited. Sergeant Colbert's right, Peter. It don't make no difference. You're well protected here. It's comfortable. So why don't you just relax, eh?
Yeah.
Sorry? Bound to find out, wasn't he?
They're changing guard at Bristol Palace. George is here with a touch of malice.
What's the matter, George? It's a cushy number.
I don't like babysitting, especially when I don't like the babies. Where are they anyway?
Oh, still tucked up in bed. Disturb them at your moral peril.
Okay, but you lot are back on at 4.
Does Tate know about this? Would it make any difference to you? It's hard to believe, Steve. You sure? No? That's why I want you to do it.
You're the boss.
Right. And until such time as I say, this is strictly between the two of us. I'd like to have a word with you, please. It concerns Brian.
I hope you're right about your lot not being on my daily, for both our sakes.
Well, I'd know it if they were, wouldn't I? Come on, get in.
No. I don't talk business in rooms or cars. Come on, let's walk.
Yes, he mentioned Barry Wilson from time to time. But I'm sorry, I'm not quite sure
Did
what...
he ever discuss him with you? You know, say what he thought about him?
He didn't like him very much. He just didn't trust him as a good policeman.
Did he ever discuss mentioning it to his superiors?
Oh, yes, but it was only talk. He didn't feel it was serious enough to... It made him feel a little disloyal. You know?
Yeah. I know.
Will you stop screaming about it? No one meant to blow up a copper. It was an accident.
Accident? Do you have any idea what this means, the position you put me in?
Put you in? Oh, that's beautiful, that is. That's lovely. Listen, you lump of crap, the only position you're in is down to you. It was you that come to me with your greedy little paw held out.
Not this. Never this. Passing on information on what we had on you, that was a deal, nothing else.
You think I was going to let a scrag end like Heslop put me away for years?
Well, there's nothing you can do about him now, is there?
Oh, no?
No.
Well, that, my friend, is what this little meet is supposed to settle.
Oh, no. Leave me out. Destroying vital evidence, that's as far as I'll go.
You've forgotten the diary. My diary.
That's your problem, mate.
Oh, no. It's both our problem. See, all those little entries I used to make are so I could keep meticulous account of all trade with the old bill.
You mean I'm in it?
Got it in one, Squire.
Why didn't you inform me?
Wasn't sure. I wanted proof.
It's compromising evidence. No proof.
Isn't it?
So what put you onto him?
Well, it had to be someone on the team. Everything started to point to it. With hindsight. Collyer was always one step ahead of us. Nobody, except a handful, knew about Heslop. And then when Murray and Scott agreed that that list of clothes was correct, after Heslop had told us about it. And then those same clothes weren't in the bag that Wilson brought back. Now these.
Where's he now?
Should be back on duty at the hotel.
The location of which Collyer is now familiar with.
Right.
What do you mean Hackett's going to send me to the wall?
Keep your voice down. Still cordoning off the high street shopping precincts.
He told me that when he gets what he wants, which is mainly the diary, you're expendable.
I don't believe you.
Come on, Pete. Why should I lie to you?
More to the point. Why should you tell me?
Says he wants to have a kip.
You filthy pig. You lied to him. You lied. You sent him off to be killed.
Get off me! Get off!
Now I know why they call us pigs. Where's he gone, Carol?
Garbage said you were going to send him to the
Where,
wall.
Carol? Where?
Can't you go any faster?
Not without wings, love.
My property, I believe.
Okay, Steve, got him. All right, lads. Kiss up, you bastard.
You said you'd protect him. You promised.